dust breathers. I'm Yannick and you're not, and I made it out of the car today. Today's location? Somewhere between urban decay and future gentrification. A construction site, or as I call it, freestyle buffet with some extra tetanus. The whoop is hungry and the gaps are spicy. No one invited me here, which is low-key an invitation by itself. The excavator did not give consent to be whooped, but I'm sure he liked it. It's like David and Goliath. I'm Odysseus, blinding the Cyclops. I'm a whoop, conquering a big yellow beast. I'm a bird shitting on your property, a punk disgusting you with my outfit. Spoiler alert, the excavator was not harmed in this video. The site is still standing, barely I think. Someone watching me must have had his mind blown, but that's all I guess. Anyways, a short visit to machines and concrete and dust and cables. I just had to do it. See you next time. Same blur, different chaos. Goodbye.